how to register your business on Google. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can register your business on Google. Now, why would you want to possibly do this? First of all, you can establish a good online presence, which is really beneficial to your business. You can also have greater visibility via search results, and then also you can attract customers with online reviews and a great business description. And this is important because word of mouth is a great advertising tool. So without further ado, let us get straight into it. You're going to go ahead and you're going to type in Google My Business over here, and the very first result you'll see, it says Google Business Profile. Get listed on Google. And let me just add that this is completely free and it'll take you just a few minutes. So you met now with this page, and over on the right hand side there is a Manage Now, and there in the main part of the page there is a Manage Now. So if you tap on any one of these buttons, you will get over to this page. The first thing you want to do is you want to enter your business name. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in this business name. So as you can see, this specific name, it says create a business with this name. Also, there are other businesses which are similar to this name. So if you don't see it here, that means that this business name is not registered on My Google Business. So we're going to go ahead and click on this create a business with this name, and we're going to then tap on continue. So over here you can select all that apply to, in essence, your business type. So you want to do either online retail, a local store, or a service business. I'm going to select service business, and if you do have an online store or if you have a local store, you can then select any one of these. We're going to go ahead and tap on next. So here you want to enter a business category. This will help customers discover your business by industry. So we're going to go ahead here and we're going to say photography. We're going to start typing and we can see all of the suggestions. So either it's a photography studio, which I'm going to say it's not. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on photographer. So you can now change that or add more later on if you'd like to, but we are just getting the basic setup done. We're going to go ahead and tap on next. So now you can define where your customers are served. So you can add areas, and depending on where exactly you are, you can then add your specifics. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start typing, and we can say South Africa. You can add another if you'd like, but for now we're going to leave it as is because you can change or add more locations at a later stage. Let's go ahead and tap on next. Right over here you want to enter some contact details, or else your customers or potential customers will not be able to contact you. So they'll see a lovely Google My Business, but there won't be any contact details. So right over here you want to choose your country dialing code, you want to enter your phone number, and then if you do have a website, you want to enter it in over here, and this will just allow for people who are seeing your ad to click on that website and go straight to where they need to be. Now it says put your business on the map. Start connecting with your customers across Google all in one place. So here you can get discovered by people in your area. You can respond to reviews for your business. You can also manage your business details across Google, which is absolutely fantastic. You can also opt in for news and tips about how to improve your business profile. We're going to select that on, and then you can also get invitations to participate in occasional surveys and pilots. I think that's also a fantastic idea. We're going to go ahead and select that, and we're going to tap on continue. Over here it says please enter your mailing address to verify. Now this is not for the public. The address you provide here will be hidden from the public. The post offices boxes are not eligible. So right over here you want to enter your street address, your suburb, your city, and your postal code, and this is specifically for your mailing address to be verified. So this has got nothing to do with what will show up on the ad. So over here you can select a way to get verified. So we're going to go ahead, either select phone code, so you will get a code via text, or a voice call to this number. You can also have a business video, so you can record a video of your business. You can show your location, equipment, and proof of management. Your video is only used for verification and won't be shown publicly. So this is not for the public. This is not for the actual Google business tab that you will see on Google. This is literally just for verification purposes, and if you're having any problems verifying, you can just tap on the verify later, and then we can go ahead and tap on next. And now it says that you are verified. Congratulations. You can now tap on next. Right over here, you can start customizing your profile. Now, this is an important element because you want to be very specific as to what it is that you offer. So when people see your business profile, they can see exactly the services that you offer. So you shouldn't add anything here that you don't offer, and you should make sure that you add the items that you do specifically offer or that you want to promote. So we're going to go ahead and say headshots and portraits. That's fantastic. Commercial property, and then we also want to go ahead and say events and parties. Those are fantastic. We can also tap on the show more. It gives you a bunch more suggestions over here. So you can select as many as you want here, but you kind of want to keep it very niche to what you actually do. Over here, if you don't see a service that you offer, you can just add it in by tapping on add custom service, and you can just enter it in over there and push enter, and it will be selected as well, and it'll come up on your Google business profile. We're going to go ahead now and tap on next. So another very important thing here, I think a lot of people miss this altogether, the business hours. So they think that maybe because they offer a service that they shouldn't enter business hours, or that their business hours are not applicable to their business for whatever reason. This section is actually very, very important. So you want to select the days that your business is operational. So for example, a photographer, we want to say that we are open 7 days a week, which means that we're available to give our service 7 days a week. Also, we have an opens at and a closes at time, so you can just tap on that. You can select what time you open as well as what time you close. However, if you do want to just click on the 24-hour option over here, this literally means that you are available 24 hours of the day. So if you want to add that in like that, you can do so. Other than that, it's best to make sure that your times are defined according to the times that you are available to offer services or sell products. Once we're done, we're going to tap on next. Over here, I think this is also a great feature. You can add a messaging service. So it says let customers message your business on Google for free. If you want to learn more, you can just tap on the learn more tab over here, but I'm going to leave this on and I'm going to tap on next. Adding a business description can really fine line exactly what it is that your business offers, and it can help the people that are seeing your business profile know exactly what services you offer and exactly how it is that you can service their needs. So you want to enter in a business description here. You can use up to 750 characters. My suggestion is you use as much as possible. Make sure that you format this nicely so you have nice little paragraphs, short and sweet sentences, so that people are glued to this description and they can actually read it and want to use your services. We're going to go ahead now and we can add photos of your business. Now, this is also very important. I see a lot of businesses, especially hotels, maybe a restaurant, and they don't have any photographs, so you don't actually know what their business looks like. So sometimes it's nice to add photographs of the work that you do, but also sometimes it's nice to do a aerial photograph of where your business is located, so people sort of have an idea what to expect when they arrive close to your area. So we're going to go ahead. You can either drag photos here or you can tap on select, and what will happen then is you will open your devices media and you can then select the photographs that you want to enter in. Over here, they have a promotion going, so you can get the amount of 6,000 Rand in ad credit if you want to create a Google Ads account. You can either tap on claim my credit. This Obviously has some terms and conditions. You need to go ahead and read through that, and then you can just clap on claim my credit. For now, I'm going to tap on skip. And over here it says your edits will be visible once you verify. You can continue to make updates to your profile at any time. So if you need to edit your profile, you can make changes. If there are any changes that happen in your business, maybe your opening times, your location, or the services that you offer, you can change all of that. When you are ready to go ahead and make it public, you can tap on continue. You can now see it says your business is not visible to customers. Over here it says Google is processing your verification. It normally takes a few minutes, and that is fine. So you can see here everything about your business. You can now also edit your profile. You can read reviews, access that Google Ads tab. You can edit your products, edit services, and then you can also manage all the photos in over here. So this is where you will actually manage everything. And if you're unfamiliar, you can just open up this new Google tab. If you go up to the top right hand side, there are the Google apps, and right at the top there is a business profile manager. Once you tap on that, this is where you will actually manage that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy businessing, people.